Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something truly exclusive and extraordinary to share with you guys. We're gonna be touring a 9-bedroom, 9.5 bathroom home located just minutes away from Disney World. Inside of Reunion Resort, we're gonna be checking out this beauty. What truly makes this home special are the amazing themed rooms, including a Guardians of the Galaxy room and a Star Wars room. So without further ado, let's dive into this amazing dream home. All right, let's start the tour off strong. We're going into the garage, which actually was converted into a gaming room. Just imagine the endless hours of fun and excitement you can have here. From video games to board games, this room is the perfect entertainment hub for you and your guests. Now let's make our way over to the master bedroom. Now be careful you don't overlook the bedrooms inside of this home because they are very unique and well done, giving a luxury feel. Now, if you're an investor and you're looking to get into the short-term rental field near the Disney World area, specifically Reunion Resort, you don't want to theme up every single room because you're going to have a lot of golfers wanting to rent out your home and you don't want to eliminate that client base. Now, that being said, most likely the majority of your clientele is going to be 1 or 2 families looking to rent out a home close to Disney, and the kids are going to really appreciate those themed rooms. While you're watching this video, I want to see who of you guys can get the closest to actually guessing the price of this home. So do so in the comments below at the end of the video. Okay, wow, we've just entered the family room and the kitchen area, and this place is amazing. Oh man, the kitchen. It's a chef's dream with the top of the line appliances, ample counter space, and a stylish design. Cooking and entertaining will be an absolute pleasure in this house. As you can see here, this is kind of a mixed use bathroom. The main use for this is as the pool bathroom in my opinion, but it can also be used for the family room. But now let's step outside to the stunning pool and outdoor area. Just imagine the fun-filled days you can spend here, basking in the sun, cooling off in the crystal clear water, and enjoying quality time with family and friends. Quickly, I'll show you on the side of the house, you have a little putting range for mini golf or for just putting practice. Let's go ahead and head over to the other side of this pool, and you'll see there's more chairs over here, another game, and a basketball hoop. So this place is truly a paradise oasis. All right, folks, get ready to be amazed because we're heading upstairs to check out the themed rooms. Starting with the Guardians of the Galaxy room, this room has so many Easter eggs from the movies and attention to detail that you'll fall in love. Now get ready for a little clip of me showing you guys one of the hidden features. I'm currently in the Guardians of the Galaxy room, as you can see, and I want to show you guys exactly why this themed room stands out and some really cool features that it has. So when you come over here to the light, so I'm going to turn the lights off, and I'm going to turn them back on, and you'll hear...
Stick a little bit, man. Legendary Hemlock.
And let's do another one because it has a whole bunch of different tracks. I haven't even heard them all. Let's see what the next one is.
You are not looking at you funny.
So I think that is a really awesome feature. You guys are going to have to let me know in the comments below what you think of that. But I think that makes this room stand out way more versus other themed rooms that people make in their Airbnbs near the Disney World, Central Florida area. Now, let me wrap up showing you around the Guardians of the Galaxy room, and you let me know what your favorite part of that room is. But we're going to go ahead and head over to another bedroom, once again excellently crafted, right before we head to the Star Wars themed room. This Star Wars room makes you feel like you're inside of Disney's Star Wars area with a whole bunch of hidden features, one of which being the TV screen, which switches slides every 5 to 10 minutes while it's on and plays Star Wars music. Next little hidden feature I think is actually really clever and cool, but behind this control panel actually is a window, and that's to make it so that this room legally counts as a bedroom. So it would be illegal to have this without that window. Now the next hidden feature I'm actually going to spin back around for in a second because it wasn't doing it when I was first going through the room, but this little drone actually makes chirping noises, as you can probably hear. time for another video of me showing you the audio cues.
This room right behind me is amazing. It is some of the best theming I have ever seen, and I have done a lot of work inside of the reunion area, and I've seen all sorts of houses with cool rooms. And I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what sticks out with this room versus the others. Notice how I have the lights off currently. Well, when I press the light switch right here, you can...
Where have you been?
It plays a different voice line every single time. Listen to this. I'll do it again. R2-D2. Really amazing what that company did. It's some of the best work that I have seen ever.
Okay, but don't worry, we're not stopping there. This house just keeps on getting better. And I'm gonna tell you while we're walking to our next attraction that this house has 6,000 square feet, so you can accurately guess the price better. Now let's head over to the foyer area, and boy, you're in for a treat. Feast your eyes on this incredible Coca-Cola themed foyer. This unique area adds a touch of character and sets the tone for the rest of the house. Okay, it's time to see what's behind these two doors. And it's a theater room. This really brings the whole entire house together. It adds that one thing that you really need in a home like this, and that's having your own private cinema. Movie nights will never be the same again. As we wrap up this incredible house tour, let me quickly show you the remaining bedrooms. Each one offers its own charm and comfort, providing a peaceful retreat for anyone staying here.
Wow, what an amazing house. I hope you guys enjoyed this exclusive tour as much as I did. Now, the question that's on everybody's mind, how much does this house cost? Well, here's the deal. Since I got early access to this home, it's actually not quite on the market. It will be soon, however, but since you guys are a part of my amazing community, I want to give you guys the chance to get in early on this deal. And trust me when I tell you guys, usually the best deals in real estate are sold before they even hit the MLS or any other marketplace. And since I want to give a lot of you guys the chance to guess the price in the comments, if you're really interested in finding out more details like the pricing about this home, make sure you message me on email or go schedule a call with me through the link. Now remember, this specific home offers a fantastic investment opportunity, especially for the short-term rental / Airbnb fields. And even if this specific home right here isn't the right fit for you, I am a real estate agent in the Central Florida area, and I'd be happy to help you find your dream home, whether it's for investment, long-term living, or just a vacation home. Some people even do a mix of a vacation home and an Airbnb. So feel more than welcome to reach out. Thank you so much for joining me on this exclusive dream home tour. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss out on videos like this. I'm happy. While I was editing this, I realized that I said the wrong verbiage here, so make sure you subscribe to me to get early access to certain homes and information, as well as continue to see more amazing house tours and things to do around the Central Florida area. Reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you make your real estate dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys.